In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a password on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned website builder or new to Squarespace, it's important to know how to manage and access your site's settings, including the all-important passwords that protect your pages. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes it easy to get straight to what you need. But let's make sure we're all on the same page. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the website. Click on this and you're one step closer to accessing your password. Now, Squarespace offers various ways to log in, including using email and password. But for our purposes today, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if you've associated your Google account with Squarespace, streamlining the login process. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account, choose the account you've used with Squarespace, and voila, you're in. Now we need to navigate to your website dashboard. You can easily do this by following the Go to Your Website link available in your account or the dashboard overview. This takes you directly to the back end of your website, where all the tweaking and tuning take place. Next, it's time to head over to the Pages section. You'll find this tab as part of your website's main menu or dashboard. In Squarespace, each page can potentially have its own password, a feature that's incredibly useful for limiting access to content or certain areas of your site. Once in the Pages section, look for the gear icon next to the page you're interested in. This icon represents the settings for that specific page. Clicking this will open a variety of options and settings related to the page. Now here's where you need to pay close attention. You might need to scroll down a bit to find the password field. This field will either display the current password or allow you to set a new one if it hasn't been set up yet. It's a straightforward process, but an important one to ensure your page remains secure or accessible as you see fit. Remember, using passwords can be a powerful way to control access to your content, whether it's for a members-only area, a work-in-progress page, or exclusive access content. Squarespace makes managing these passwords simple and user-friendly. And that's it. You've now successfully accessed the password section for a page on your Squarespace site. This functionality not only adds an extra layer of security to your site, but also ensures that you can easily manage who gets to see what content. Whether you're looking to update passwords regularly or just need to make a one-time change, knowing how to navigate to these settings is key. We've covered quite a bit of ground, but hopefully this guide makes the process clearer and helps you manage your Squarespace site more effectively. Remember, the security of your site and its content is paramount, and Squarespace provides the tools you need to keep everything in check. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website managing.